The video intends to guide the candidates on how to undertake the registration process for counseling towards taking admission to scenic schools and new scenic schools. The web portal for counseling is https://pesa.ncog.gov.in/scenic school e-counselling. Click on the Sign In button. Click on the Registration button. In this window, type your application number issued by NTA for All India Scenic Schools Entrance Examination 2025. Click on Verify button. Click on OK button. You would now see your registered email ID and mobile number, wherein you will receive a OTP, one-time password, to continue with the registration. Click on Send OTP and check your phone or email ID for the OTP received. Enter the OTP received by you. Click on Verify OTP button. Click on OK button. In the next screen, you can set a unique password for yourself. Click on Submit button. Click on OK button. In the next screen, you need to enter your All India Scenic School Entrance Examination application number as the username and password as set by you. Enter the security captcha as flashed on your screen. Click on Sign In. In the next screen, go through the declaration shown carefully. Click on I agree to proceed further. In the next screen, you would find the basic details as filled up by you during the NTA registration process, without the details of the marks secured by you and the combination of schools opted by you. Click on Submit to proceed further. In the next screen, details would be shown again to you for confirmation of your registration. Click on the declaration box. Click on Confirm Registration. Click on OK button. You have successfully completed your registration process. In this screen, you would notice your profile and notice issued tabs. You can now click on Sign Out to log out of the web portal.